Assalamualaikum. I am Afifa Lubaba. I am currently studying in Department of Tripoli of Begum Rokeya University, Rangpur. Today I am talking about how I will prepare myself to get a good job in Bangladesh.
As I am studying in electrical and electronic engineering, so I will discuss about preparation for a job in this sector. There is a lot of job opportunity in the field of electrical and electronic engineering. The scope of Tripoli is huge. Electrical and electronic engineers can work in wide range of fields such as power generation, electronics, computer and control system, telecommunication and biomedical. Tripoli related job can be broadly classified into three categories. Almost 60% of the job can be found in industrial sector, 30% in sales and service sector, and 10% in education sector. Industrial sector includes various power plants and other various industries. Also, the sales and service includes various telecommunication company such as mobile company. This power plant and mobile phone company need a lot of engineer every year. On the other hand, there are many public and private universities which need many engineers as teacher every year. If I want to get into a good job, I need to know about my department first. Secondly, I need to know about job in Tripoli sector in Bangladesh, which is showed in previous slide. Thirdly, I need to find out which job is perfect for me. Everyone is not perfect for every job. So, that point is very important. If I start gathering information after my graduation, it will be too late. So, it is important to know about this issue from starting undergrad life. Then, the other important point is to maintain a decent CGPA. If I have poor CGPA, no company will be interested to give me a good job. The last and the most important point is to develop various skills. Now, I will discuss some skills which are important for any good job. The skills are project management, engineering design, AutoCAD Autodesk, automation. Some other skills are problem solving skill, basic circuit knowledge, communication skill, creative thinking skill. If I have high CGPA but no skill, it will be difficult for me to get a good job. In most companies, the one who has more skill is given more priority. So, skill is very important for me to get a good job. If I maintain the points which I showed in the previous slide in future, it will be easier for me to get a good job. That's all for today. Thank you everyone.